people. Satan is the one that introduced schisms among people. Satan is the originator of sin. And because of sin, you and I have been separated from God. Ang naghihiwalay sa tao ay kasalanan. Kaya si Satanas, ang kanyang laging nais gawin sa katawan ni Kristo na laging nagkakaisa ay papaghiwalayin, sirain ang kanilang pagkakaisa. My dearest brethren, the Word of God is speaking to us right now. We are in our most vulnerable state. I have said this on a couple of occasions already. Nahaharap ngayon ang Iglesia ni Cristo na Pentecostal at Misyonero